So here we have a 7-gallon with some mineral deposits. We do have hard well water. This is pretty common to have, so we're going to show you how to tackle this. Let's get to it. You need a few things: a scrub brush or a toothbrush to do the heavy scrubbing, and then some white vinegar, which you're going to mix with some water. So we need equal parts of white vinegar and water. So I'm going to fill this up, toss it in our bin, grab some water, toss it in. All right, then we're going to mix her up. Let's let this dry. We'll come back and see what it looks like. If there's still some white deposits, we can do another round. So we're back. We have this sitting outside for a couple hours to fully dry off to see what our fabric pot looks like. We do have a few mineral buildup spots left. A little bit right here, a little bit right here. So we're gonna have to do another application of scrubbing down. And with like anything in life, you keep up with the maintenance, your fabric pots will look good and they will last for many seasons to come. Alright, so we have another pot here with some mineral buildup, as you can see. You might have been thinking before, that brush you're using is way too abrasive on my fabric pot. Well, here's our next method. Just take some sort of tub or bucket, mix it 50-50, 50% water, 50% white vinegar. Good thing about our fabric pots is that they unsnap, so you can lay them flat. So you just want to be pretty much almost fully submerged, or if not fully submerged, in your solution. We're going to let that sit for 20 minutes or so, and then we're going to come back. And either if this is too abrasive, I do also have a toothbrush. So I got my brother's toothbrush. So I'm just going to scrub in the problem areas. And you want to make sure to put a little bit of elbow grease in. Because don't get fooled, when this material gets a little wet, it appears like it's clean. But once it fully dries out, you'll see a little bit of residue left. So one final step we're going to do, we're going to take it out of our vinegar solution. We're just going to rinse it in regular water. There we go. We're just going to let her drip dry for a couple hours. We'll come back and check on it and see how we did. So here we are. It's the next day. Fabric pots are all dry. Let's take a look and see how they look. Don't see anything here. Looks almost brand new. Here's the first one we did. Don't really see anything on there. There's a little bit right there if you can see that little bit, but for the most part, almost looks brand new. So there you have it. A little bit of vinegar water and a little bit of elbow grease, and your fabric pots will look brand new. Ready for next season. So now you know how we clean our fabric pots. Our question to you is, do you guys clean your fabric pots? And if so, how do you do it? Let us know down in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. Until next time, happy gardening. Peace.